Hey, if you wanna use AdBlock on HTC Desire 19 Plus, for the first you have to download one of the following, so type here AdBlock. And now we can go for this one. Click install. And now we can click on the open. Okay, we got it. Now the block engine is loading, and as you can see, our AdBlock is working. So now when we go to the Google Chrome, for example, and our website HardReset.Info, there will be no any ads on this page. And as you can see, here it is, no ads. And even if we go to the article section, you are free from the ads. So it's pretty simply, and this is how it looks. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.